In. The cat is in the box. On. The book is on the table. Under. The ball is under the chair. Behind. The boy is behind the tree. In front of. The car is in front of the house. Next to. The girl is next to her friend. Between. The cat is between the boxes. Near. The school is near my home. Above. The plane is above the clouds. Below. The fish is below the water. Inside. The boy is inside the bag. Outside. The dog is outside the house. Across. He walks across the street. Through. The bird flies through the window. Around. The children run around the park. Up. The boy climbs up the ladder. Down. The apple falls down. Into. The cat jumps into the basket. Out of. The boy comes out of the room. Over. The bird flies over the tree.